Alright, we for more cover. The name is HY, and you know exactly how to do it. This video is brought to you by the like and the subscribe button. To your subscribe here, now like here, Michelle. One more than subscribe and like you channel in I'll talk about AFA bundle registration as agent and AFA bundle registration and kasa say oh yeah, now subscribing now use as a user. You see, I'm not doing agent registration. I've lost my access to that. And see, I'm now working on how to see. I'm now working on that. Seminyo obia. Or that's a year registration, agent registration ibia. Na afi my mom money. Na odo details na mam nam dia mano. No aye registration no. Amamo na mo so be AFA agent. I don't know what happened. Or how say to call no. I have back and mo revoke you if saying yeah access be team. If you hold no meet me registration be aha. And until say oh inbox me. Now obisa me about agent registration na. I'm sorry, but I'm still looking for someone who can do the registration. Me nyape. Mebo munyina money. Kofo be ready me. And what would DM be I'm showing I would say I'll get back to you. But say ope say we register obi on AFA bundle no dia. Cost gidi this year. And major 5 CD pay. So one person we agent no. The person we take this opportunity. You have to tell people, and I say you can still tell people that you are doing the registration for them. And 2G details now, that's what you're contactor. Now they go all the ID. What's in the amame? Now my year registration amount. 5 CD pen a major. Me say, obe send me details no. Now obe send me registration we answer. Send me the money too. Say the moment you push the details to me, you for add the money to me. 5 CD no be any this thing. Because people are taking the fencing after registration. They are taking 11 CDs, 10 CDs, 12 CDs, 15 CDs near the other. And I'm taking 5 CDs from you. So you should forward the money to me before you send me the details. Then I will do it for you. So you're all honored. So this is a good news for a year more. You are looking forward to make the FNSM AFA agent registration. So we will be now so person be agent and now so just a simple registration. So you they just DM me with the information. But the information I me here no ebe to a year ahasi monhwe. Nti o before so be frame no and I say o dey ma obi and I say o jobi details na why make sure say obey this all details which details ni we are not for it amame my adwumani nyina. The name is always HY and you know exactly how we do it. Michelle, we take this opportunity now make you feel 10 CDs be 20 CDs be a day because yeah 5 CDs the AFA and go for the J 11 CDs 10 CDs and they become the J 20 CDs in this the other account be ano and you must send they me here and say obe send me 5 CDs no need details no my amount you don't come in my inbox and DM and telling me say oh cha do the registration finish so I'll go dabi o send ya no this can 5 CDs there and shana one man that will come say wa minutes that no. So the name is always HY and you know exactly how to do it. When you subscribe you have more than subscribe to the channel and one on medamasi.